Well, if you want to carry over the gardening or outdoor theme into your gift wrapping, there are several ways to accomplish this. And first, one of the nicest things is just to use a small flower pot to wrap your gift in. Now this works for smaller gifts, and if you want to give a gift certificate and you don't just want to have an envelope sitting under the tree, you can just wrap it up in one of these flower pots, and then they've got the flower pot plus the gift certificate to their favorite garden center. Now some other ways to bring nature inside are to use sticks to make stars. Now this is basically a very easy process. Just use 5 sticks, all cut the same length, and then attach them together with some copper wire. And for this package I wanted to be a little bit more dressy, so I just coated it with some gold spray paint. Now if you want to go for a more natural look, you could just leave the sticks as they are, use brown paper and some of the earth tone colored bows to go with it. Now a lot of decorating indoors for the holiday season is done with the hollies because of their nice red berries, and you can actually add these to your packages very well. Now this is an American holly, and I've just used 4 sprigs here and attached it to my bow, and it is a nice combination. Now another berry that people don't think about using as much in the holiday season, but it works very well, are the nandina. They're putting on their berries right now, and you'll notice there's just a wonderful red color, and then the nandina foliage looks very nice with this too. Well, magnolias are always a wonderful thing to decorate with, and here you can attach just the magnolia leaves to a package. Now this looks very pretty with the gold foil wrapping because we have kind of a gold on the underside of our magnolia leaf. So this is a very nice combination. Now some other things that you might think about using in your holiday wrapping are things like pine cones, also acorns, and the seed heads off of your ornamental grasses. So be creative and come up with your own gardening wrapping for the holiday season.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.